Hi Ray, we've got another glitch that needs to be looked at. So if I go to this marker here, which is the Grampians, and the speech bubble at the moment, actually I'll do it the other way. So if I come down to, no, if I come up to here, okay, so the speech bubble has come up below. And what I'm going to do is drag now down and go past the marker that is below it. So down and zoom in. It looks like when I come down, it comes past this marker, and that's the one that it wants to zoom to. Obviously not the correct one. So if I come back out, and this time so that it's above, and then zoom in, it's fine. So if I come to, I think Sydney, because there's lots of markers there, come down and zoom in, not going to Sydney. So that's essentially the problem. I'm on the staging side at the moment, but it's across both this site and the live. So if you could have a look at that, that would be great. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.